Let us now begin with practice set 13, question 1. Write the reciprocals of the following numbers. So the first number is 7. Yes, 7 is nothing but it is equals to, yes, it is equals to 7 upon 1. Okay, students, 7 is written as 7 upon 1 in numerator and denominator form. Yeah. So what is its reciprocal now? Yes. So we will write here reciprocal is equals to. So 7 upon 1. Reciprocal is 1 upon 7. Got it? Now, many of you write 7 upon 1 only. It is wrong. Huh? 7 is nothing but 7 upon 1 and reciprocal is 1 upon 7. Huh? Now, the next sum, that is second sum, 11 upon 13. Sorry, 11 upon 3. So, reciprocal. What will be its reciprocal? Yeah, we will write just here. Reciprocal is equals to 3 upon 11. Okay. Reciprocal of 11 upon 3 is equals to 3 upon 11. Now, third sum. Reciprocal of 5 upon 13. So, what will be its reciprocal? Just change the numerator and denominator. Numerator is 5, it will become denominator. And denominator is 13, it will become numerator. So, reciprocal equals to, yes, 13 upon 5. Now, we have fourth sum, that is 2. Same like first sum. So, 2 is nothing but it is equals to 2 upon 1. And reciprocal of 2 upon 1 is 1 upon 2. Got it, students? And the last sum, that is the fifth sum, 6 upon 7. Reciprocal of 6 upon 7 is equals to 7 upon 6. So now in your CW, write practice set 13, question 1 and solve the sums as I have given on the screen. So now see next question, question 2. Carry out the following divisions. So they have given us the first sum, 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4. So students, we have already learned how to do the division. Yes. So I'll write here and take solution. 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4 equals 2. So what is 2 upon 3? This first fraction we will write as it is, 2 upon 3. Division sign will turn to multiplication. So multiplied by. And when we write multiplication, after that second fraction's reciprocal. So our second fraction is 1 upon 4. Reciprocal of it will be 4 upon 1. Yeah. Now we have learned how to do the multiplication. Numerator multiplied by numerator. Denominator multiplied by denominator. That is equals to 2 multiplied by 4 upon 3 multiplied by 1. That is equals to 2 fours are 8 and 3 ones are 3. Therefore, 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4 is equals to 8 upon 3. Did you understand how to do the division? So, same way how I have written, same way you are going to solve. So, solve neatly in your CW. Okay. Now, the next sum, that is 5 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 2. Okay, so we'll write the question once again. 5 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 2 equals 2. So, first fraction will be written as it is, that is 5 upon 9. Division sign will turn to multiplication and second fraction's reciprocal. See, first fraction as it is, division sign will turn to multiplication, and second fraction's reciprocal. What is our second fraction? Our second fraction is 3 upon 2. Reciprocal of that is 2 upon 3. Yeah, now we are going to carry out the multiplication. Just see any number from numerator and numbers from denominator. Are they divided to each other? Are they coming in single, or are they divisible by same number? No, they are not divisible. So we will multiply numerator with numerator. That is 5 multiplied by 2 upon 9 multiplied by 3. 2 5s are 10, 3 9 3s are 27. Okay, what is 9 3s are 27. Therefore, 5 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 2 is equals to 10 upon 27. Okay, so now write down both the sums in your CW. Let us now begin with the third sum. 3 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 11. So here we will start with the solution. I have written the question here, and now let us divide this. Okay, so is equals to first fraction 3 upon 7 we will write as it is. Division sign we are going to write as multiplication, and second fraction's reciprocal, that is 11 upon 5. Now we will multiply numerator with the numerator upon denominator with denominator. That is equals to 3 11s are 33 and 7 5s are 35. Therefore, 3 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 11 is equals to 33 upon 35. So here this is the solution to sum number 3. Now you are having one more question, that is question number 4. You can see in your textbook. Okay, what you will do, you will solve these 3 questions, and then on own you are going to solve question number 4. Okay. Let us now begin with question number 3. There were 420 students participating in the Swachh Bharat campaign. So what are we understanding from this sentence? That there are 420 students, and these 420 students are participating in Swachh Bharat campaign. Okay. Now the next statement. They cleaned 42 upon 75 part of the town Sevagram. So this is one town Sevagram. From that town, these 420 students have cleaned how much part? 42 upon 75. So now let's see what we have to find out. What part of Sevagram did each student clean if the work was equally shared by all? Okay, so now you have to find out part cleaned by each student, and when you have to find when the work was equally shared by all. Okay, so now just see what they have given to you all. First thing, number of students. Then they have given part cleaned by all of them. And what you have to find? Part cleaned by each student when work was equally shared by all. Okay. Now suppose this is a village. We will suppose this is a village. Part cleaned was how much? Yeah, 42 upon 75. So suppose this is 42. Suppose this part, no? Whatever I have made a half or something. See this, I'm just drawing lines. This part is 42 upon 75. And this much part is cleaned by how many students? 420 students. So you have to find out part cleaned by each of them. Okay. So first we will write given and to find out, and then we will see the solution. So see, the given is number of students is equals to 420. Part of Sevagram cleaned by students is equals to 42 upon 75. And to find out part of Sevagram cleaned by each student is equals to question mark, because this we have to find out. Okay. So now in solution what we are going to do? We are going to find part cleaned by each student. Yes. For that, should we know the total part cleaned by them? So what is the total part cleaned by them? Yes, 42 upon 75 part is cleaned by number of students is how much? 420. So this fraction we are going to divide by number of students. Okay. So the solution is part of Sevagram cleaned by each student is equals to total part of Sevagram cleaned upon number of students. So total part of Sevagram cleaned is this much. What is that? 42 upon 75. Yes or no? So we will write it down. So below is equal to sign. I will take is equal to, and total part cleaned by of Sevagram cleaned is 42 upon 75. So I have written it 42 upon 75. Upon. So now I will write upon number of students. So what are number of students? You can see here. It is 420. Yeah. So we will write here upon or divided by 420. So this same fraction we can write as 42 upon 75 divided by 420. Got it? How we are going to write this fraction? That is, we are going to write it as 42 upon 75 divided by 420. Now, same fractions division we have to carry out. Yes or no? So, see what we are going to write it as is equals to 42 upon 75 multiplied by, no, instead of writing multiplied by, what we will do? We will write here first divided by 420 upon 1. Okay. 420 is nothing but 420 upon 1. Now we will carry out division. Now see, I am not having place. I will show you side here. So just see, is equals to, you will solve below. First fraction as it is. What is the first fraction? 42 upon 75 multiplied by reciprocal is 1 upon 420. Okay. Now, just see at the numerator and this denominator. Are they somewhat similar, 42 and 420? They will be divided. See, I'll just write and take numerator multiplied by numerator. 42 into 1 upon 75 into 420. Yeah. Now, this 42 and this 420 are divided by each other. They will get divided. They are divisible. 42, just see on the screen. 42 ones are 42 and 42 ones are 42 and this 0. That is 42 tens are 420. Yes or no? So now how can we write the same fraction or same multiplication? See here, is equals to 1 into 1 upon 75 into 10. Yes, 1 into 1 is nothing but, see, I'll show you. Here, this side I will solve a side. You will solve one below other. 1 into 1 is 1 upon 75 into 10, 750. So got the answer. What is the answer? 1 upon 750. I will just draw here lines like this. So, what you are going to do? How to solve? Did you understand here? See, this is your first part. Then second, and this is your third part, last. you will solve one below the other. Yeah. So say I'll explain to you all. 42 upon 75 divided by 420. How it is written, did you see here in this step? Next, first fraction we will keep as it is, 42 upon 75 divided by 420 upon 1 is equals to 42 upon 75. This division will be converted into multiplication, and 420 upon 1 reciprocal is 1 upon 420. So 42 into 1 upon 75 into 420. Cancellations, 42 ones are 42 tens are. 1 into 1 upon 75 into 10 is equals to 1 upon 750. So once again, listen students, you will write this part first. After this you will continue this, and after this you are going to continue last answer. Therefore our last statement will be, therefore part of Sevagram cleaned by each student is 1 upon 750. Okay. So here we have finished our lesson operations on fractions. Yes, so write down this question and solution of this neatly in your CW. Okay, students? And now this part no need to do, red color, whatever explanation I have done. That no need to do or write only this part. Now, so I hope here we have finished the lesson. I hope no, we have finished only the lesson. But I hope you have understood the whole lesson. Yeah. So everything what we have learned in this lesson, we have learned to convert improper fraction to mixed number, mixed numbers to improper fractions, then addition and subtraction of mixed numbers, word problems on that. We have also learned to show the fractions on number line, later on multiplication of fraction, reciprocals or multiplicative inverse, and last we had studied division of fractions. And I hope you have understood each and every concept. Yes, because in each video I have explained every concept in detail. Okay, so go through the videos, listen to it carefully, and do practice the sums. Every day you have to practice math sums. And if you practice, you will be surely able to solve the sums on your own. Okay, so do practice the sums and write the given notes and solve the practice sets neatly in your CWs.